Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. So today we are in Vrindavan. We started in the afternoon so that we reach here when the temple opens. Banke Bihari temple opens at around 4 o'clock. So we are here. It's 3:30 p.m. right now, and we have reached Vrindavan city, beautiful Vrindavan city, and we have come here with our whole family, and yeah, just heading inside the city. And actually, to my surprise, we also got a darshan of Premanandji Maharaj, which in fact was in my wish list from a very very long time. And to my surprise, we just took another entry gate to the mandir, and our other family members, they were in other cars and they took the normal entry gate. And over there was a long queue of people standing, and they were actually waiting for Premanandji Maharaj. So he comes in his car. Initially he used to walk, but now he has started taking the car since he's not well. Also guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon for more of such videos. And this is Radisson Hotel here, and it is on the main road, which is newly opened. It's been a year, I think year and a half. A nice property to stay here. Most of the time it's full, so you have to pre-book this hotel if you are coming here. And this is the parking area where you can park your car and take an e-rickshaw towards the temple's entry gate. So this is the place where all the followers of Premanandji are waiting. So actually people were waiting here, and we were going to the temple, and I got down from the car because I really wanted to see Premanandji Maharaj, and they said he'll be here in like 10 to 15 minutes. He comes in his car, and people were waiting from last 1 hour to some people were waiting from last 2 hours. And I was so lucky that I came from this route, and without standing in long lines, I got his darshan. And last night we were discussing like how can we meet like Premanandji Maharaj, and I was like, we are like so many people, so obviously one-on-one darshan we can't do, it won't be possible. But I really wanted to meet him, and sometimes God listens to us. And I when while going to the temple, I saw people standing here, and I got down, and I actually got his darshan. This is called manifestation. This is called true belief. When you believe in something, it actually happens. If you believe in something with your full faith and you are optimistic in your thinking, then it actually happens. So my husband also knew how big follower I am of Premanandji, so he told me to get down here because he couldn't wait here. There was no parking available, and also like his father was there and he's not well, so he couldn't stand for long time. So along with my nephews, I got down just waiting for him, and he'll be here like any minute. So I'll show you guys a glimpse of Premanandji Maharaj, and yeah, just waiting for him now.
हाँ गाड़ी से आते हैं। अच्छा पैदल नहीं पुलिस है ना, पहले पुलिस वाले डिफेंडर आएगी या वो फॉर्च्यूनर है? डिफेंडर या फॉर्च्यूनर? ये आई फॉर्च्यूनर जो पीछे गाड़ी आ रही है मेरा तो भाई। हाँ 8484 वो पीछे गाड़ी।
बस इतने दर्शन होते। चलो मैं तो पूरा
पैसा कौन देगा?
So, guys, that was like the moment I entered Vrindavan city. So, it was a very nice beginning of my evening here. Now we took an e-rickshaw and going to Banke Bihari temple. Our family members are waiting there. So just going there and I'll show you guys the live darshan of Banke Bihari Lal, and just going there will give you live darshan of Banke Bihari ji. Then we will be going to Iskon temple. So I'm going to give you guys a full tour of Vrindavan city, beautiful Vrindavan city. So stay tuned, sit back, relax, and enjoy this whole vlog. Also, just will be giving you guys divine darshan of Banke Bihari ji, then Iskon temple, and then Prem Mandir in the night. We'll be going there. Then we'll be heading back to Gurgaon in the night.
यहाँ से अपने आश्रम आश्रम ठीक है ठीक है
So the e-rickshaw guy dropped us here at Nathu Sweet. So from here we have to walk like for a kilometer, and then we'll be entering Baki Bihari Ji temple. So just enjoying this walk. And Vrindavan city I always like because of these beautiful stalls all around. The city looks so lively with the people chanting all around here, and beautiful stalls. I love shopping for my Thakurji, and beautiful poshaks I always buy from here. And apart from that, there are very nice eateries over here, and few things are very famous here: lassi, then aloo kachori, then pakoras, and also street food is very famous here. While walking wherever you like, you can just sit on the road, enjoy the nice street food over here. So yeah, I love the vibe over here. Vrindavan city is always so beautiful and lively all the time, whether it's early morning, whether it's evening, afternoon, late night. Always it looks so beautiful and so lively with people, with so many people are all around.
राइट 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 आओ भैया गेट नंबर 5 कहाँ पर है गेट नंबर 5 ले लिया भैया मेरे हिसाब से कैसे वाला मेरे हिसाब से
2 मिनट अंदर आ गई है मार्केट में।
2 मिनट बस मार्केट में आ गए। ला प्रज्ञा भी बता दो।
हेलो। हाँ 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 ठीक है ओके। अंदर आ जाए सीधा मतलब। So while you walk, these are all beautiful shops on both the sides, people walking. So you actually enjoy walking on these streets. Just heading to Banke Bihari Mandir.
आ जाओ दर्शन करना हो।
ये लेफ्ट होगा। भैया फोन अंदर रख लो। इधर है। ये हो
एक अच्छे साइड में खड़े हो आई जाए तो
गेट नंबर 5 आ गया है।
जल्दी अंदर आओ गया 5। मैं बहुत देर से खड़ा हूँ।
So finally guys, from these lanes, small lanes, you'll find everywhere in Vrindavan city, and we have reached there, and let's do a divine darshan of Banke Bihari ji. सो गाइस फाइनली हमारे दर्शन बहुत अच्छे हुए बांके बिहारी जी के एंड टू माय सरप्राइज इट वाज वेरी लाइक इट वाज अ मंडे इवनिंग, तो फिर भी उतना रश नहीं था जितना जनरली वीकेंड में होता है, बट फिर भी बहुत ज़्यादा रश था। बट लकीली हमारे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे दर्शन हुए टू आवर होल फैमिली एंड इट वाज वेरी नाइस। और बहुत पॉजिटिव लगता है यहाँ आके, यू फॉरगेट ऑल योर वरीज, ऑल योर negative energies. You just leave here and it is something is there in this temple which attracts you to come here again and again. And I never want to say no. Whenever anybody tells me, ask me, they want to come to Vrindavan, no matter how tired I am, no matter how busy I am, I always want to come here. There is so much of positivity in this city. There is so much of positivity in the temples here, in the people around. Everything in this city attracts me here every time I want to come here. And आई होप मैं यहाँ आती रहूँ जितना ज़्यादा हो सके, कुछ ना कुछ रीजंस हों कि मैं यहाँ वापस आती रहूँ. इट्स ऑलवेज good to be here in this city. Now we are going to a very famous like street shop. So they have very nice street food here and also will be drinking lassi which is very famous. जब भी हम यहाँ आते हैं हम उस लस्सी शॉप पर ज़रूर जाते हैं. So today again we are going to go there. And these are the beautiful shops. You can do shopping here. आलू टिक्की खानी है किसी ने? भैया लस्सी कितने की है? खाने ये लोग कहाँ गए? जो लेना है फ्री ऑफ टाइम है. हाँ पुनीत के साथ. So this is a very nice and famous shop here, and इनके पकौड़ाज like assorted पकौड़ाज were there which was very delicious. And then we ordered कचौड़ी and उसके बिल्कुल opposite ये लस्सी की शॉप है. यहाँ पे ऑलवेज आई ड्रिंक लस्सी फ्रॉम हियर. बांके बिहारी लस्सी वाले द इज़ द नेम. और ये बांके बिहारी मंदिर से एग्ज़िट करके यू विल फाइंड द शॉप. देन वी ऑर्डर्ड सम आलू कचौड़ी विच वॉज अगेन वेरी फेमस एंड ये लस्सी के साथ तो इतना टेस्टी लग रहा था. एंड आवर होल फैमिली इन्जॉयड इट. स्पेशल नाश्ता खस्ता कचौड़ी. सो दिस इज़ द नेम. ये उसके लस्सी वाले के सामने है ऑपोजिट. सो बोथ द थिंग्स यू कैन बाय साइमल्टेनियसली. थोड़ी बहुत इनकी सिटिंग थी आउटसाइड बट अगेन यू हैव टू स्टैंड एंड ईट. Then we did a little bit of shopping here and will be heading on an e-rickshaw to ISKCON temple. प्रिया ये मिल रही है यहाँ पोशाक तो यहाँ भी मिल रही है. 40 तो वुलन चाहिए. वुलन आगे मिल रही थी. So guys, finally we got an e-rickshaw, big e-rickshaw, which will fit our whole family. So we are around 10 members, 10 to 12 members, along with the kids. So we needed a big e-rickshaw. So we are all sitting here, and it takes around 15 minutes in an e-rickshaw to reach ISKCON temple from Banke Bihari temple. So Banke Bihari temple से भी आपको थोड़ा walk करके जहाँ पे e-rickshaw मिलती है वहाँ तक जाना होता है. And in between we had few snacks. तो वो थोड़ा सा break भी हो गया था. And now we are going to ISKCON temple. We'll be giving you guys a glimpse of ISKCON temple and वहाँ के दर्शन, and then few shops we want to explore nearby. शॉपिंग के लिए वहाँ का एरिया भी बहुत अच्छा है, एंड देन स्ट्रीट शॉप्स भी वहाँ पे फूड की बहुत अच्छी हैं. सो या जस्ट गोइंग देयर and just enjoy this vlog, enjoy this ride, and enjoy just walking around and exploring this beautiful Vrindavan city.
हेलो गाइस, हाय गाइस. इसको नहीं पता. मेरी मामी को लाइक करो, सब्सक्राइब करो एंड शेयर करो. गाइस, लास्ट वीडियो में हमने आपने गोल लगने वाला फ्रॉड दिखाया था. इस बार हम आपको दूसरी चीज का फ्रॉड दिखाएंगे. तो हमारे साथ जुड़े रहना, लाइक और सब्सक्राइब और शेयर अपने दोस्तों को करते रहना.
So the e-rickshaw guy dropped us here right opposite to ISKCON temple, and there are beautiful shops over here. Just wanted to do little bit of shopping from here. Then we are going to ISKCON temple, and वहाँ पे outside the temple there is an area where you can drop your slippers and all, and then you can head inside. So we'll be going there and look at these cute outfits for girls and all. Just going to the temple now, and with the on the right hand side over here you can drop your slippers. Few people were just leaving their slippers outside the temple, but that is not so good, and also not safe also. You imagine coming out of the temple and not finding your slippers, so it's better to deposit it in the counter. And just heading inside, left side में बहुत सारे stalls हैं, shops हैं for books, clothes and all. And then ये मंदिर है, and just going inside now. सो मंदिर के अंदर आते इतनी पॉजिटिविटी लगती है. पीपल आर डूइंग कीर्तन एंड लोग यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, दे आर जस्ट enjoying द पॉजिटिविटी ऑफ द टेम्पल एंड द कीर्तन. एंड इतना अच्छा लगता है यहाँ पे आके. यू जस्ट वॉन्ट टू सिट हियर फॉर आवर्स. आई वॉन्ट टू सिट हियर फॉर एटलीस्ट like 2 to 3 hours here, just enjoy the kirtan. और बहुत अच्छा लगता है यहाँ के. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम. वी हैव टू लीव बैक टू गुड़गांव इन द नाइट ओनली, नॉट स्टेइंग बैक हियर. बट जितना भी टाइम यहाँ मिलता है, इट्स सो पॉजिटिव. हम इतनी पॉजिटिव एनर्जीज यहाँ से गेन करके जाते हैं. एंड वी लीव ऑल आर नेगेटिविटी फ्रॉम आर बॉडी, फ्रॉम आर माइंड ओवर हियर. तो it's very good. I think we should just keep coming here once in a while, every time we feel little low in life, or otherwise also whenever you are happy, just to show our gratitude here. It's always good to come here quite often. So he's the founder of ISKCON temple, Guruji Maharaj. And then यहाँ पे there is a divine darshan of Krishna ji. So they have a very nice sweet shop also here. Their bakery is there, and then a small cafeteria on the left hand side. You can buy food to eat from here. Sweets, prasad also you get here to offer inside the temple. And yeah, this is the place. So we wanted to grab something from here, and after here we quickly came to Prem Mandir, which opens in the night only. Evening time में ये open होता है. And it's a very beautiful temple. If you haven't visited, you should definitely come here. इतना सुंदर temple बनाया है ये. अंदर से बहुत ही amazing है, बहुत बड़ा है. You need lot of time, at least 2 hours to explore the whole temple. And this is the security check area. Then you come inside and just look at the crowd over here. इतने सारे लोग यहाँ आते हैं to explore this beautiful temple and just look at the view inside. ये कृष्णा का वो बनाया है जो नागराज के ऊपर उन्होंने डांस किया था. And these kind of things you get to see here. बहुत ही amazing बनाया है यहाँ पे सब कुछ. So you can just explore this whole place, just walk, take pictures, and just sit here in the garden outside, and then just explore this whole beautiful, beautiful place, beautiful mandir, and of course gain a lot of positivity from here.
है ना, यहीं खड़े हैं।
पीछे से खींचो ना,
फोटो खींच रहे हैं।
रेहान को बोल कर सुनिए पीछे से। चलो आप पीछा 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 करो। गाड़ी पाता हुआ बीम उबाय मोटा बे बीम ने बे बीम ने आकर काटी आगे थक भरे लिए थक भरे પછી આ બનાવે ये लकड़ी उंगली में तो सदा, लेकिन ये लकड़ी है इनको सहारो इनको सदी
So this is the main temple here. We'll be going inside, and inside the temple I will show you a bit. And बाहर का तो हमने सारा एक्सप्लोर कर लिया है. And थोड़ी सी ठंड भी बढ़ गई है अभी रात को. Though the place is very crowded, but still it's very cold. तो यहाँ से हम बस दर्शन करके सीधा we'll be heading to our cars. डिनर करके then we will be heading back to गुड़गांव. Again 4 hours तो लगेंगे हमें जाने में. But यहाँ पर आना is worth. And just look at the lighting, the architecture here of the temple, the carvings and all. So whoever has designed this mandir is a genius for sure. And of course मतलब सब अपने आप ही हो जाता है, जो होना होता है अपने आप ही. भगवान को इतना सुंदर मंदिर बनवाना था, तो जस्ट इमेजिन, बहुत ही अमेजिंग. आई मीन वीडियो में भी उतना अच्छा कैप्चर नहीं हो पाता है जितना अमेजिंग ये मंदिर था. जस्ट लुक एट द कार्विंग्स ओवर हियर इन दीज पिलर्स एंड वेरी नाइस टेम्पल. जस्ट वॉकिंग अराउंड इन दिस टेम्पल. और फर्स्ट फ्लोर पे भी है वेयर वी कुडंट गो क्योंकि हम बहुत लेट हो गए थे. बट नीचे का मैं आपको सारा दिखाती हूँ. एंड यहाँ पे आप देखो सीलिंग में ऊपर कितनी अच्छी लाइटिंग है एंड कितना सुंदर शैंडलियर है वहाँ पे. You just want to stand here and just stare at beautiful architecture, beautiful temple. और अभी कृष्णा जी और राधा जी की जब मैं आपको दर्शन कराऊंगी, there also you'll feel like just staring at them. and बहुत positive energy है यहाँ पे. So guys, that was our one full day in Vrindavan. and I hope आपको अच्छे लगे होंगे सारे दर्शन. प्रेमानंद जी से लेके बांके बिहारी लाल जी के दर्शन कराए. एंड देन वी वेंट टू इस्कॉन टेम्पल. वहाँ से हम प्रेम मंदिर आए. तो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, आपने इन्जॉय किया हो, तो चैनल को लाइक कर देना, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, हिट दैट बेल आइकन. आई विल सी यू गाइज इन माई नेक्स्ट व्लॉग. अंटिल देन बाय बाय, टेक केयर एंड गुड नाइट.